And you are watching Coding for Beginners. In this video, we will make a web page. Yes, in this video, we will make a web page by the platform named CodePen. The CodePen is a platform in which we can create the web page. The web page means the help of HTML, CSS, JS. So, first, what is HTML? HTML means Hyper Text Markup Language. CSS means Cascading Style Sheets. JS means JavaScript. Some some person know already about that, but we will learn web page developing from basics, means from HTML. So what is HTML? It means Hypertext Markup Language. Yes. So what is Hypertext Markup Language? It means to the basics of web page. So first we create, go on our CodePen platform. You can see that this is a platform. Create a web page. So there are three options: HTML, CSS, and JS. So first we close JS and CS. We don't know JS in CS, okay? In this video, we only know about HTML. These are output page. I am not comfortable with this, so I change that. Now, I write here HTML code. So, can I write here anything in HTML? No. The coding is not only typing. It means computational developing thinking. Now, first, first point is when we write an HTML code, there are 3 points. First point is if we create if we create one tag, this is compulsory to end also. Second point is some tags are neatly like that they are not ending. Third point is to HTML is to writing only. Okay, there are 3 points. So we go on first point is if we start some tag, we also need to close. The example of that was HTML end head end enter title tag and title will not be visible in your output screen, so you can enter anything in title tag, like I enter V means my 7th video and end the title tag. See how can I ending the title tag? By giving the slash here. Now enter and also end the head tag. Enter. Then I create the body tag. Body. Now the HTML code will be visible on output screen. This will body only, not Great. Now in body, I create here h1 tag means heading 1 will computer and slash h1 in. You can see here the computer is visible here. Enter. Then h2 tag h2 and I write computer software slash and h2 in. Enter. You can see here the computer software font size is very small comparing to the computer font size. So there is a logic between this. The logic is the h1 means the h1 is bigger than h2, and when you increase the number after h, the font size will decrease. First enter and I write p tag. P is for paragraph. So first I go on Google. Then I write here computer software and computer software. Then I go on Wikipedia and copy some lines about computer software, how they are used, what work of that in our life, like that. Then paste it after p tag and slash p. I embed the paragraph tag and now I will insert the image after the paragraph by giving tag img id is equal double quote img1 src is equal double quote. Then I go on Google. I write here computer software images and I take images which I want. Control V, and you can see here the image is visible. I close the types of software and click on enter, and first I end this img tag, then enter, then I end the body tag, then enter, then I will end HTML tag. So our HTML code is done. Now we have some time to also learn something about CSS, means cascading styling sheets. Yes, the cascading styling sheets is used to design the web page. HTML is for basics and JS is for logical, meaning the create events or buttons in the web page. So first I write here body, open the curly bracket, enter, and write here background color pronoun and end. Yes, I am ending like this. You can see. Now I kept in middle. I open a new tab and first I go on Google and search here color picker, color picker. The color picker is visible here, and first I go on here and take a color, copy the hex code, paste it here. So the color is good, and then enter, text align colon to center. Yes, this is working. The image is also in center. So this is this is we learn in this video. Then we will also learn more about CSS in next video. This was this was so long video. Yes. So now I take a leave. Bye guys, and like this video, subscribe to our channel Coding for Beginners. Bye guys, see you in